Okay guys, so let's talk about switch, JavaScript switch in this lesson. So switch are statements which evaluate an expression, which match the case that is given to it, and it match it with the case within the switch. And if anything is matched, then it will return it, and if it is not matched, then it will not do anything. Okay, so let's just go to the code. So I've included the JavaScript file and the output. I'm just going to create a output. Okay, oh, ID. That's output tag. Okay, save it and come here and output tag. That's going to be document.query selector. Oops. Okay, so that's the output tag. And switch, to define a switch, you use switch. It's the same thing as just saying switch, then you give the case, the condition, then come here and inside the curly braces, like say case 1, for example, then you do something there, you do blah 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 blah, then case if, then the defaults. If nothing is matched, then you are going to do something here. Okay, so here I'm going to be using date, var date equal to new date. Okay, so date dot get day. So the get day is the day of the week. So 1 is Sunday, no, 0 is Sunday, 1 is Monday, like that. Okay, so this is going to be return an integer, and we are going to test for its case 1. If it is 1, if the day is 1, then you can say output tag dot inner text equal to hey, it's Monday. Okay, so defaults, if the case is not matched, then I'm going to put in okay, hey, nothing was matched. You can actually put anything here. So let's go to the browser and check it out. Hey, nothing was matched. You see, so it's going to get in the date dot get day. So let us even log what is in the date dot get day. Let us log it and see it. So Ctrl Shift K, and let's load the page. So it is 0 as this Sunday. So Sunday is 0. So now let's check it again. Case 1, and you can also nest 2 things together, like case 0, and if you do not put anything inside the block, so it will match the both of them together and it will work for the both of them. So this thing here, this output here, work for both the case 0 and case 1. Let's just okay. So what's really happened? Okay, let's output something here. So case 0, it's Sunday. Okay, so what happened? Get day. What is returned? It is 0. Case 0. If it is 0, we want to output something. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to something here which is called break. So this break, it will prevent it from, because the switch always executes from top to the bottom. So if it does not see any break keyword, it will just continue executing till it execute the last statement. So in order to just break out of the loop, so this break, it will break out of the switch loop. It will break out of the switch loop, and if there is any statement here, it will continue executing the statement. So the break will make it break out of the loop. Make it break out of the loop. So this default doesn't need a break keyword. Let's save it and let's go check that in the browser. You see, it's Sunday, and let's try to match the both of them together. Let's save it, and it's Monday, as you can see, but it is actually 0, and it is matching case 1 also. And if it is 1, it will still match it. And you can test for multiple cases. You can test for case 2. And I'd like to say something. This colon is very compulsory. It's very, very, very compulsory. And the break too is compulsory. Without break, it will just execute everything. It will execute the last statement, because it will start from top, it will be executing it, and it will execute the last statement. So that's that. So this is basic stuff about switch, JavaScript switch, and it is very useful, very, very useful. If you want to display maybe the time for the user, if it is between, if the time is between 0 and, if the time is between 0 and 12 o'clock p.m., you say good morning. If it is between 12 o'clock p.m. to 6 p.m., then you are going to greet the user with good afternoon. If it is between 6 p.m. to 12, that's evening, good evening. So you can use it for things like that and lots of things. So if you have any question, put it in the comment section. I'm going to